All right. Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are so happy to have back with us this bright. Sanique say he's a really young talent, so he looks like 9 or 10.
He's a nice baby face.
J-Com, welcome, my general.
What's up, J-Com? It's a compliment to hear me Dufton go away. You know, have the crusty look is what I'm
Yeah, we'll keep it positive.
Yes, yes, beautiful. So, of late, don't look at me like that. You're being dubbed the Jamaican Chris Brown. I can see it. I can sing. And that's in regard to your talent. Yeah, which is wonderful.
Yeah, so,
you do all the stuff. How you feel about that when you heard that?
I felt honored to be put against such a huge superstar in the world, you know. So I felt honored, to be honest. Yeah.
Rumor has it that you've been working in the studio on your EP. Right. Tell us a little about it. And the features on it that you want to mention.
Well, it's not. It's an album.
Full album?
Yeah. All right. That's been out since the 15th of January. It's called Niche. It's really a self-produced project. So yeah, I've been wanting to put out a project from like way back, and I finally got to do it. But there is some. It got a lot of traction. So there is a lot of like big people like reaching out, a lot of artists like Sean Paul and TVJ and a couple other people, and they want to help push it. So
nice.
There's more like projects and even remixes to come out for it. So yeah.
Well, I'm happy to hear that. We're happy for you. So you have this signature thing that you do, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
You have to show it. You have to show it. You have to show it first. Show it. I'm going to try, mimic it. Go on, man. Go.
Yeah, go. Wait, what's it?
You have a signature style, a signature...
Dance move?
That you put your hand...
Oh, the...
Right, and you have your fingers a particular way. What is that? You're telling us to look at it?
It's more of like... It's just like, yo, listen.
Yes. Got you.
Listen,
yeah, man.
Yeah. So it's just like a symbol to represent even me as a person, because I'm quiet. So it's just like a symbol to represent like how you should be when you're listening to what I'm doing or what I'm saying. And also my personality is, I'm a quiet kid.
You're a quiet kid.
Yeah.
This is a video you're going around in the studio with Tony Kelly?
Yeah, Tony.
Are you? And him say he didn't know you were Jamaican.
He didn't. He actually
and then he naturally, and then you saw his natural reaction.
Yeah, like
I saw the video.
Because like it was basically me performing a song.
Right.
And a lot of people have it that have an American accent.
Yeah.
So I was there performing the American accent, boom, boom, boom. I chip in a little bit of patois, and then he was like, "Oh, okay, now we see the Jamaican."
Yeah. But I saw it because we were listening to it like, yeah, right. And then the Jamaican chip in like, oh yeah.
But J-Com, a trick me still know, because when you are actually performing, you don't seem like a quiet person. It's a whole different persona. And him saying quiet.
Well, we're gonna see it because right now you're gonna perform your song called Easy.
Yeah.
So Not Nice is Easy.
Street vibes with him.
Street vibes too, right?
Yeah.
Street vibes with him.
Yeah.
So I'll clear the stage.
Yeah.
All right.
And then
You're gonna see a whole new person. Come on, J-Com, everybody, get off.
Nah, nice when them say party. We go hard, Campari, rum bar. Every cup we drink of it all. Ease off when you see the young stars them. Ain't nobody wanna leave just yet. Where them feel this a legacy. Say them come, but them is just a wanna be. See pray, feel we vibe just sweet. Anywhere where we dey. But song drop steam up your place. Fully locked in every day. Pull up in a machine for the lane. Next week, another party again. Easy, we hold them streets to my friend. We do it easy. You know see the pre. Did this ever come up? Me tell them to put the bar on my feet. Easy, get girl. Easy, take that. Easy, snatch that. Easy, alright. We are pre, but believe me. Tequila, I sip with the kiwi. Easy, vibe on the ground like weekly. Energy for the law, you don't need it. Tell the B where your texts are man, you delete it quickly. Cause we going all night. Party in all white. Party till dawn light. Mix that cup just right. Oh my word. Young Jeep on the scene. Spring top on the track we are lead. For real.
My G, I know hot crab a left.
Sweet, anywhere where we did. But song drop steam up the place. Fully locked in every day. Pull up in a machine for the lane. Next week, another party again. Easy, we wall them streets, my friend.
We do it easy.
You know, see the pre.
Then it's a buck up, but tell them to put the bar on my feet.
Pretty please speak to me now. Ease with the pro, ease with the flow. Alright, neat with the club, see I do it in the club. She is a pro with the waistline. She no need any teacher. Anytime that waistline reach her. Believe me, everybody way under the league. I feel sweet, anywhere we with it. But some trust team up in place. Fully locked in every day. Pull up in a machine for the lane. Another party again. Easy, we wall them streets, no my friend.
We do it easy.
You know, see the pre. Did this a back up, but pretend if I put the bar on my feet.
Because I feel like everybody should be standing. You see what I'm talking about when he performs though? About him quiet. Jacob.
I'm a quiet.
Yeah.
Jacob.
Jacob.
That song easy.
But
You were on here that
Yeah, when you have the dance, go
easily.
easy, you know?
I-
No, don't do it. Don't
I'm
do
not,
it.
I'm not gonna do it.
You're gonna hurt
All right, but
yourself.
before we go, we have a little something that we want to show you. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. It's a surprise for all of us. Yeah.
Easy.
What is that? What we just watched? What's coming?
So there's a music video, one of the main singles off the album called Call My Name. That song is currently at 3.8 million streams right now.
Wow.
So it's like a demand.
Yeah.
So there's a music video coming out on the 4th of May, which is my birthday.
Taran. Big up yourself, you. Oh, my good you. Lang.
Bull them, yeah.
So social media.
Yeah, where can we find you on social media?
So you can find me at JCOM Official on IG, JCOM Official on TikTok, JCOM Official on X. I don't usually use X, but
Yeah.
the people them who want to go on it,
Yeah.
fine.
Go right.
Yeah. Same thing on Threads, JCOM Official. JCOM Official everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Jacob official everywhere. All right, good stuff.
So I think you should just take us out, but we're going to wrap up real quick. Thank you so much for watching Daytime Live. J-Calm, heat up the place in near not calm right now. In the meantime, remember to check on your loved ones, support each other as a community. We're going to be back on Tuesday. If I go work with Dufta and them, have to give me a raise. What's happening Tuesday?
We're going to be here. It's going to be a good vibe. Buzz
Yeah.
track vibe mix. And Sunday people roll out. Slightly unhinged happens. It's going to be a good vibe. Jacob.
J-Calm, take us out. Quick. Easy.
Nobody knows.